Virgin Media Wi-Fi not working. Step 1. Check the power, ensure the router is plugged in and powered on. Look for a power light to confirm it's receiving electricity. Step 2. Inspect the connection cables, verify that all cables, power, coaxial, or Ethernet, are securely connected to the router and wall socket. Loose cables can cause connectivity issues. Step 3. Restart the router, turn off the router, wait for 30 seconds, and turn it back on. This simple step often resolves minor glitches. Step 4. Check for service outages, visit the Virgin Media website or app, or call customer support to check for any local outages affecting your area. Step 5. Test the Wi-Fi signal, move closer to the router and see if the Wi-Fi signal improves. Interference or distance may cause weak or dropped connections. Step 6. Reconnect your device, forget the network on your device, then reconnect by entering the Wi-Fi password again. This can resolve device-specific connection problems. Step 7. Look at the router lights, check the status lights on your router. A flashing or red light may indicate an issue that needs troubleshooting. Refer to the Virgin Media manual for light meanings. Step 8. Try wired connection, connect a device directly to the router using an Ethernet cable to test if the problem is Wi-Fi related or affects the entire network. Step 9. Reset the router, press and hold the reset button on the router for about 10 to 30 seconds, refer to the manual for exact duration. This restores factory settings and may fix persistent issues.